Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị si unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mgbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fasịsọ anyị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme.
Haleluya, Biafra bịago, agụ na-eche mba, atakata agbọ, a na-agba egbe ya na-ata chingom, dike na dimba. Simon o mere dimba yoghiriri itiri Naijiria aja, ịkwara Naijiria akwa akwụrụ, ọ bata obie nwoke ọma eji aga mba, ntanta mmiri na-ataji ọkụ, eziokwu dị osimiri nke mbụ na mbụ n'ala Biafra. Ọwụ spell ejiam tụrụ gị jọkwa gị na-eche mba. M ga-eji gị n'ikele gị onye ukwu, onye nyere anyị Biafra, nwoke ọma. Ọ dị mkpụmkpụ na-eme ire, gị na-eche mba. Mụ na ezinụlọ m anyị na-ekele gị. Silver and gold anyị enweghị, mana eketere m ụtụtụ ehihie ana m akpọku Chineke n'isi gị, si gị onye na-ekele afọ mụrụ gịnị, na-asị nne na nna gị ka ha zuru ike na ndokwa, onye nke nyere anyị onye nzọpụta. Maka mgbe ekidnapụrụ awa lida Nnamdi Kalụ, obi jụrụ m oyi, ma na-ebe nwa m nwaanyị na-ajụ m, ọmị lee n'ihe ị na-eme onwe gị. M sị nwa m, ị gaghị aghọta. Amaghị m na mgbe olileanya gwụsịrị na Chineke asa anyị ụmụ m deredu na enwere m onye ka ike. Mgbe Malami isi Simon Ekpa is more dangerous than Nnamdi Kalụ, obi na-atọ m rịkpọ. Obasanjo abịa zụrụ okwu ahụ kwuo ya, nke Obasanjo anụrụ ya anụ, maka na ọ wụ former head of state of Nigeria. Mana mgbe Garuba Malami kwuru ya, nwe onye nụrụ ya nụ. Simon Ekpa, you are more dangerous than Nnamdi Kalụ. You are more dangerous than DOS. You are more dangerous than all the enemies writing here and there. Ike agwụgo ndị iro gị, gawa n'iru. Simon, gawa n'iru, ada na mba, gawa n'iru. Chukwu mara ihe ọma ọ ga-etere gị, gawa n'iru. Udo dịrị unu.
Thank you. I want to give something to PM before he goes, please. Okay. Please, it is my honor to make a special presentation to our Prime Minister and to all Biafrans. By the grace of God and the lead of our Prime Minister, all the functionary arms of working assiduously.
Start talking.
Our Biafran Liberation Forces have been doing us proud. And also, the department of our sorry, please. The people that see about the relationship of our Biafran Republic to all nations are also working assiduously. That is our diplomatic department. So for the first time in the history of Biafra, in Spain, Biafra has been registered as a liaison. In Spain, the Kingdom of Spain have registered Biafra Republic government in exile for the first time in history. So this is our registration certificate. I'm just closing the certificate number with my finger for some reasons. So I'm presenting to our Prime Minister that the Spanish liaison have been registered. The Biafra Republic government in exile is now known. If you can read it, you will see they are adopted in Constitution of Spain. It is written down here. So I'm very, very happy. I'm proudly presenting this to our Prime Minister. This just happened some last week or 2 weeks ago. And I'm also thanking my powerful European rep who has always had my back and assiduously bringing every support that I needed when I was fighting for this. I know what it took to get this, but my able rep was there helping me all the way. And all the Spanish family, we did it together. So our Prime Minister, this is our registration. We are now legal in Spain, and our liaison can ask anything from the government as they scripted in their constitution, in whatever they gave me to read before I signed this. So thank you very much, our PM, for giving us the power and the strength to do all this.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Spain. Like I said, this evening. But it's a welcome development. Thank you very much, Spain.
We are trying our best to.
You guys, you know, are shocking us, but it's a good shock we want every country, you know, want to see in every country. And the good thing is that the progressive that we see in the Biafra government and liaison offices across the world is really something that Biafrans are very, very proud of. I can say that. And people who do not understand what freedom is all about, they don't understand the importance of liaison office because they have never been part of any government. They have never served in any government in any time, anywhere in the world. So they don't understand what it means to have liaison offices. The same thing goes to those who never participated in any freedom fighting, never read any history, and of course, they are not living in the present. You know, sometimes I look at people comment, sometimes I just nod my head. Somebody will be telling you, giving you example of how Gandhi fought the India independent. And then you will be thinking that the Gandhi he's talking about is yesterday Gandhi, is Gandhi of last year. They will be using that to give you example of how to fight for freedom. Or then you hear people say, Mandela was fighting in South Africa. He was in South Africa. They use Mandela. And you'll be expecting the person to tell you that Mandela was fighting 2 days ago. They will give you appetite fight of 1980 something. And then you will hear somebody tell you, oh, another country, Soviet Union is. You will be thinking and expecting them to explain that it was yesterday. They don't understand that we are now in 2024. They will use something that happened 70 years ago to give you an example of how to fight freedom. They will tell you what happened 100 years ago to tell you an example of how to fight freedom. And the same people are not telling you how Britain came to Africa, to Niger area, to kill with guns, to force people, take away our resources, including our artifact. And they will not tell you to emulate Britain. They did it. No, that is history. The same people are not telling you how they put our people, sold our people, or bought our people, shipped them by the sea. It is history. They are not telling you to come to Europe and do the same thing. That's how they did it, to conquer Europe. So why can't we now come to Europe and do exactly what they did to us to conquer them? But they are telling you quickly, easily, how Gandhi was fighting for freedom of India by hunger. They are quick to tell you that while Mandela was fighting, he didn't run away from South Africa. These are history they are quoting, but the same people are not telling you how you should come and conquer Europe, how you should go to United Kingdom where they are scattered, the Nigeria people are scattered there, how you can go and discover a river in London and name it River Obanko. And if they talk, you konya hopo, where that they go to conquer your own, because that is what they did to us, right? So what we are saying is that this particular freedom is what we are fighting it presently in the present day with a present method, with the method that we design for ourselves, not for Gandhi, not for Mandela, not for Martin Luther King Jr., not for Rockefeller or whatever, not for anybody, but for us and for us alone. And the way is that Nigeria will never kill us again. And ask us to go to social media to broadcast it and shout about it and cry. And they say, you are not talking. No. Anybody that is wearing Nigeria uniform in Biafra land is a dead man walking. They have killed us for many years. It's time we are defending ourselves by actions, not by social media broadcast, not by crying on social media, not by writing to the United Nations or EU or America. We've been writing for many years. So today, I'm very, very happy. Development in different parts of the world. Biafra Lazen offices opening, and these offices will become the embassies of Biafra from the 2nd of December by the special grace of God. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Adazayon, over to you. Adazayon, over to you.
Okay, thank you, Mazi Sani. My PM, Oblidika Kanana. My $100 where go na name ihe na adige move adiombe. Makanana it's like everywhere you go, different thing, new improvement. For that reason, I'm saying, oh name ihe na adige mume. Oh name ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume. Ọ na-eme ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume.
Ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume. Ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume. Kachi anyị na-eme.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Adazayo.
Thank you.
Samsung SM8235F, unmute yourself, please. Samsung SM8235F, unmute yourself. You have the mic. Okay, Juliet, you may pick the mic while he continues to get ready. Juliet, pick the mic, please. Unmute yourself. Thank you.
Okay. Prime Minister, Mazi Ikpa Simon Njoku, Yobato one of Biafra land. Or they are on number 2 one of Biafra land. the ambassador of peace, and the good guy himself.
There we go.
I want to sing a song for you. On behalf of the Spanish family, IGBO ihe dị ka gị akọkwana anyị, esi anyị ga-enwe ihe anyị ji emere gị ọcha akọkwana anyị o. Biafra ji ga-eme ọnụ, ihe dị ka gị akọkwana anyị, esi anyị ga-enwe ọnụ, ihe anyị ji emere gị ọcha akọkwana anyị o. Ndewo, Prime Minister.
There we go.
There we go.
All right, I think we have some song and then we start rounding up.
Samsung, over to you. Unmute yourself.
Samsung A235F. A235F.
Samsung, speak up, please. Samsung.
Hello, my son.
Yes, I can hear you. Right on, please.
Okay. I hear me now.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. How can I on my video?
Start your video because the camera is open, but you can see. Use the command on the screen that says "Start your video." Okay.
I have seen it. Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
Mazekpa, I greet you, sir.
There we go.
Our Prime Minister.
There we go.
A humble Christian. Chukwu the Obite.
There we go.
Omoto ham. I want to go ham, but ask him come. Other MC na to let's see come. Not support here in ETA go. Maka Biafra Liberation Army. Ine me daima.
There we go.
I meji 10 Gemma when I support you.
There we go. Thank you.
I'm on Ghana, but I'm going to get where to go. Okay, I can't engage where to go.
Contact your Ghana family. Do you the media team will give you contact to Ghana family?
Okay, sir. Mazekba, they got the go na hisi ke.
Say,
Ine me daima.
there we go.
Ine nye mo ngbe ni ine. Ona mo na ho ine ekwu okwu. Ma mara CS. Ihe mmasị na nkari na eme. Ihe okwu ihe no kusiri. Na ihe na eme wo fi ihe. Isi ke sir.
There we go. There we go.
Thank you.
All right, the Spanish family, please round up. Any other person that wants to support can go to the website and do that.
Yes, you're the last person as we round up. Please, you're the last person as we round up.
Okay. Thank you. Mazi Simon Ekpa, the ever Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra, we are highly happy to welcome you to Spain in our midst. We are very proud of you. I and my family, we are very proud of you. My little girl was waiting the day you will come to Spain. Unfortunately, there is fiesta here. She went out with her father coming in and she has gone to bed. So she came and said to you, say, Obatobia. I say, yes, Obatobia is there. So you are highly welcome. Biafra is already here. There is no doubt. There is no doubt it will come faster than we can ever expect. Obatobia, I saw you in my dream. You visited me in my father's house as a Prime Minister of Spain, in my father's house in Biafra land. I was inside and they called me and said, somebody was looking for you. I came in and said, who is that? Obatobia. I just shouted, Obatobia. You know, in that dream, before the convention in Finland, I saw the youngest security man that you have. I saw him also in your house. exactly him in that dream. So when the convention came, I saw him, I said, God, so what you are doing, I always write, Chukwu Okike Obioma is happy with you. And he has released the angels plus our own angels and our own energy in our private prayers that we are releasing on you. Nothing will happen to you. You are doing God's bid, and there is angels allocated to follow you. So anybody chasing you is chasing shadow and chasing themselves. Carry go. We are praying for you, and you are secured. And you have majority of the good-hearted Biafrans following you. So they cannot get you. It's not like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that criminals wage. They never allowed people to get Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I knew many people that called me from London, pastors, people that see, they will send these people message. They will never deliver it to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu until they delivered what they wanted to do. And they are perishing for it. And they will surely perish for it, them and their generations. Obatobi, we love you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ruben, do it sharply. Ruben.
Philip.
Ruben, unmute yourself, Ruben.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear you now, right on.
It's just a conclusion. I still want to show appreciation to Sonny and all of you. Like I said before, this is my first time of communicating directly with all of you this time, especially our Prime Minister, Simon Eba. The strength
And by Dalo Lineno, only if Konisi, when I saw any and many rock on Opasinketa, as a Copasinketa Mano Numa, I think which by zero, and the Cosidi, and the king of the if I be a Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa, Zoduki be a bo, a earbo, Ibo media, Kaisiko when you tell Nukozia do Kemba, Geniki when you Basta Makaya be fair. Kabaroke drop for your comment, your own suggestion. Ni endani ne Biafran Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo Media. Daro no munem kemesian.